This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse. Live in this beautiful neighborhood with lots of acreage and rolling hills. This 4,720 square feet Cape Cod residence with stunning in-ground pool, fire pit and guest house, sits on 3.5 acres of mature trees and lush grassy knolls large enough for a soccer field. The main house has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, partially finished basement with an extra room, media den and more work/play area. Enter the property down a beautiful tree-lined driveway that leads you to a 2-car garage and a 2-car carport. Stroll down the brick walkway to the 2 entrances in front of the house. Around back you are welcomed with a resort-style pool. This wonderful Gunite pool is surrounded by stamped concrete and enclosed by a brick wall and wrought iron fences for privacy. Also, next to the pool is the 1-bedroom/1-bath guest house, large covered patio with several ceiling fans to keep you cool during those hot summer months. Enter the home under the 5 elegant gables framing the brick stairs up to the main entrance. You are welcomed with newly coat of fresh paint, solid hardwood floors redone in 2020, formal dining room, a complete wet bar with sink, wine fridge, and ice maker. Cook your favorite meal in this gourmet kitchen with white and bright cabinetry, granite countertops, exposed brick walls, large island, sub-zero fridge/freezer, cooktop with pot filler faucet. This open concept leads you to a dining/living room area with large wood beams across the ceilings, and wood-burning fireplace, plantation shutters, crown molding, built-in bookshelves with ladder and library. Lovely enclosed 4 seasons room with brick floors and a gorgeous view of the pool and fire pit. Walk upstairs to the 5 bedrooms and 3 baths. Primary suite has walk-in closet, soaker tub, separate shower stall and double sinks. Down the hall, the junior suite has a fireplace, bathroom and a Juliet balcony overlooking the pool area. This room has separate control and zone for HVAC, which was completely updated in 2019. The other 3 bedrooms share a full bath with double sinks and tile floors. Much desired Stafford County Schools, 10 minutes from downtown Fredericksburg and close to local grocery store and shopping centers. Make your showing appointment now, you definitely want to be here this summer.